Alright, people. My trunk floor came in. According to this, I didn't pay attention. Ordered it off the Muscle Factory in Placenta, California. Muscle Factory book. Got all kinds of stuff in it. We got all three sections of trunk floor. We got a little dinged up, it looks like, in transit. The box was destroyed. You should have seen that. So that one corner looks like it hit. At least it exists, right? Mine's gone from about here back. So, and we've got good looking body mounts and good looking floor braces. Gas tank straps. Alright, so I showed you unboxing them a little bit. I wanted to just talk some about why I went against my own wishes and statement and bought new parts instead of making something. I could have made a piece of metal fit where the trunk floor was supposed to be. And if that was all I needed, I would have done that. I didn't have gas tank braces, and I didn't have, more importantly, I didn't have to have the gas tank braces. I could have, because I want to run that boat tank anyway that I have in the car. I want to put it in the trunk. But I didn't have and had to have the body mounts. I maybe could have made something possibly to work for that, but it would have looked rigged. And there's certain things that I don't want to redo. So, yeah, that's why. So that takes care of that. This just really kind of a video about nothing. I guess it'll be a unboxing and bullshitting video. So, I want to thank you for watching, and I think it was in the last video I was taking parts off that car. I'm also working on, I've ordered everything. I'm working on a rear end video. And since very few people will actually make it to the end of this, I figured I'd show you something real quick. In this situation, there is no right way to do this. You know, I might be able to clean that bearing up and reuse that or in a race. That's the only difference in that pinion.